Good morning students, SHM. This is mechanics topic, fourth video. Okay, phase difference. Phase difference. So phase difference delta pi, that is equal to pi 2 minus pi 1. So two phase in the SHM, delta pi equal to pi 2 minus pi 1. That is x is equal to a1 sine omega 1t plus pi 1, x is equal to y is equal to a2 sine omega 2t plus pi 2. These two phase difference delta pi is equal to pi 2 minus pi 1. Pi 2 minus pi 1. The phase difference. Phase difference pi. Both waves, both SHM equations opposite direction. Opposite direction. So phase difference phi, both SHM equations opposite direction. Phase difference 0 to 2 pi. Both SHM equations also same direction. Same direction. Same direction. Second one, in SHM equation, acceleration and displacement equation also constant. Acceleration and displacement always, the ratio of acceleration and displacement also constant. So A equal to minus omega square y. In SHM, the ratio of displacement and acceleration also constant. So A by y equal to omega square. Omega equal to root a by y. Omega equal to 2 pi n. 2 pi n equal to root a by y. So n equal to 1 by 2 pi root 2 a by y. N is the frequency. Time period, reciprocal of time period equal to frequency. T is equal to 2 pi root y by a. So in SHM equation, the ratio of displacement and acceleration also constant. Second. Third one, velocity equation V is equal to omega into root over a square minus y square. Squaring on both sides, V square is equal to omega square into a square minus y square. So V square is equal to omega square a square minus omega square y square. So v square plus omega square y square equal to omega square a square. So v square by omega square a square plus omega square y square by omega square a square equal to 1. So here omega square cancel. So v square by a square into omega square plus y square by a square equal to 1. This represents equation ellipse. So here ellipse equation. So velocity and displacement v and x are y. X. Suppose this is minus a plus a omega minus a omega origin. So v square by a square omega square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. The phase difference of velocity, phase difference, displacement and velocity. and velocity, that is equal to pi by 2. Phase difference of displacement and velocity pi by 2. Pi by 2. So phase difference of difference of displacement and acceleration pi. Phase difference of displacement and acceleration pi. Third one, phase difference of velocity and acceleration. So pi by 2 comma or 3 pi by 2. So first one, phase difference of displacement and velocity pi by 2, phase difference of displacement and acceleration pi, phase difference of velocity and acceleration pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So next one, energy and oscillator. Energy and SHM. Energy of SHM, simple harmonic motion. So energy means total energy, that is a kinetic energy and the potential energy, is equal to Ke plus P. So energy and SHM, total energy equal to total mechanical energy equal to kinetic energy and potential energy. So kinetic energy of the SHM K is equal to of mv square. Suppose here x is equal to a sin omega t plus pi. So here pi is equal to 0, x is equal to a sin omega t. X is the displacement. So derivative of displacement, that is velocity. dx by dt, the rate of change of displacement is called velocity. A is constant, sin cos omega t into omega, that is a omega cos omega t. So of m into a omega cos omega t whole square. So of m into a square omega square cos square omega t. The first equation. This is equation of kinetic energy. Suppose omega t equal to 0, that kinetic energy maximum, Ke maximum, that value of m omega square a square. Omega t 0, kinetic energy also maximum, that value of m omega square a square. So omega t equal to pi by 2, kinetic energy Ke minimum, that value 0, of m a square omega cos square pi by 2, cos square pi by 2 0. So graph taken here, energy y axis and displacement x axis. Graph will be, so at 0 position x is equal to 0, Ke maximum, Ke minimum, x is equal to minus a, x is equal to plus a, Ke minimum, here Ke minimum. Next, potential energy. Potential energy P is equal to potential energy of the spring or string P is equal to of K x square. So K by m equal to omega. So K is equal to m omega. So P is equal to of m omega into x square. Since x is equal to a sin omega, t. So P is equal to of m omega into a sin omega t whole square. that is equal to half m omega into a square sin km into omega square sin square omega t. So km equal to omega, k is equal to m omega square. This is second equation. So PE maximum, PE minimum, omega t equal to 0. Omega t is 0, sin omega t also, sin square omega t also 0. PE minimum at 0 position, PE maximum, extreme position, pi by 2. The value of m omega square a square. So graph will be taken where in previous graph reverse. In x is equal to 0, PE minimum, x is equal to minus a, PE maximum, here PE maximum. So both graphs also taken, potential length and kinetic energy. So K is equal to, total energy is equal to Ke plus P. So E is equal to half m omega square a square cos square omega t plus half m omega square a square sin square omega t. So half m omega square a square common, that is cos square omega t plus sin square omega t, that is equal to total energy is equal to half m omega square a square. Total energy of the SHM. Total energy of the SHM is equal to half m omega square a square. Here total graph also, kinetic energy and potential energy, both graphs also taken. So this is a kinetic energy graph also potential energy. So here Ke maximum, PE minimum, and vice versa. So x is equal to minus a, x is equal to plus a. So x is equal to 0 position. X is equal to 0 position, Ke maximum, PE minimum. Extreme position Ke minimum and potential energy maximum. So E is equal to half m omega square 2 pi n whole square into a square. So E is equal to half m into 4 pi n square into a square. You can say 2 pi n square into a square. So E is proportional to square of amplitude, E is proportional to square of frequency, E is proportional to mass of the body, E is inversely proportional to t square, time period. E is proportional to inverse square of time period. So this is total energy of SHM, energy and SHM. So this graph also potential energy, graph kinetic energy. At mean position kinetic energy maximum, at mean position potential energy minimum. So at extreme position kinetic energy minimum, potential energy maximum. So total energy is equal to half m omega square a square. E is proportional to a square, E proportional to n square, E proportional to m, E proportional to 1 by t square. Okay. Thank you.